Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this LED light. I know we've seen like this rechargeable phone light all over social media. So in today's video, I'm just going to be unboxing it. I got mine from case.ng on Instagram. Guys, you guys should get serious. Anyway, so I got my package from God is Good and I just went to pick it up, and then this was it, and that was where she wrote my phone number. I just had to tear it. So looking at the box, I said, should I open it for me? I said, no, make I tear them. So like, okay, let me tear it, and so I tore it, and then this is the light. I almost threw away that and I was like, but something is inside though. And then I just checked and I saw, oh, that's the other truly with the should I call it the tripod or the clip for it. It came with this cord and the light. There was nothing inside the carton. Guys, this light is small but mighty. This light, guys, I don't even know what to say. Like, the person that created this light have sense. So guys, this light is small but mighty. This light came in 3 shades and it is rechargeable. These 3 shades are absolutely amazing. The cool, the warm, and then the warm and cool mixed together. And then the back was just the battery. Guys, I don't know. Hey God, the way I'm saying this thing, this light is so beautiful, guys. It is absolutely amazing. It's perfect for photography, videography, and videography, anyone, YouTube and everything. Guys, this light is so beautiful. And one thing I like about this light is almost, should I say, is even the same thing with 12 inches LED lights. Guys, I'm not joking. It's as bright as, no, my inches is 14, right? Yeah, it's as bright as like 14-inch LED light. And this is the clip you put to your phone. I just turned off my ring light. I was like, okay, let me show you guys how the light is. Guys, take a look at this. Just take a look at that. So pretty, guys. And I was like, okay, I've clipped it to my phone, showing you guys everything. And I actually got this as a gift, so thank you so much, baby girl. I know you don't want your name to be mentioned, but thank you so much. I really appreciate it and I love you so much. Mwah. And that is it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.